Are you looking for a dependable, feature-rich screen recorder? You don't need to look further since EaseUS RecExperts Pro can satisfy your needs. This program offers all the required functions in a user-friendly interface, whether you want to record gaming, create video lectures, or capture video conferences. The simple controls and powerful recording capabilities of EaseUS RecExperts Pro make it a favorite among experts as well as beginners. In this video, I will tell you about the different features of this screen recorder and how to use them. Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Step 1. After clicking on the link given in the description, you first go to the official website of this software to download and install it. First of all, after installing and opening this software, click on the Upgrade to Full Version button to go to Activation window. RecExperts offering Pro and Business versions, you can choose accordingly. Now click the Enter License button. Paste your license code into the activation box and click on the Activate button. The trial will be upgraded to the Professional Edition once the license code is properly applied. Step 2. Interface of the software is very simple and user-friendly. You can record full screen or select area of recording. You can resize and reposition this area as per your requirement. You can easily record and save online meetings from Zoom, Google Meet, Teams and any other platform with this tool. You can record system sound by clicking on this icon of system sound. Also, if you don't want to record system sound, then tick here. You can also do silent recording by clicking on Advanced Options. If you want to record through the microphone, you can tick on the microphone option and then tick the microphone noise reduction, as it is written here that it can effectively reduce interference to the microphone. By ticking the microphone boost option, we can boost the microphone recording volume. To record webcam along with the PC screen, just click the webcam icon and your recording will start. By clicking on the Settings button, we can access different camera settings from here, like we can select the resolution of our webcam, and the most important one is to remove background AI option. By turning it on, we can easily replace our background with the help of AI. And if we select the green screen option, then we can remove our background with the help of green screen as per the instructions given here. Next, we can record through our microphone by clicking on the microphone button here. Here we can boost our recording volume by clicking on the microphone boost option and also by clicking on the noise reduction option. We can effectively reduce interference to the microphone. Click on Settings icon to set basic settings of this software, such as output format, video quality, frame rate, audio output format. You can select different options related to recording by going to Recording Settings. Similarly, you can choose the hotkeys. By going to the mouse settings, you can select various mouse settings. From Recordings icon, you can see your recorded videos. You can take a screenshot by clicking on the screenshot icon here, or you can also take a screenshot by using the F11 key. Once you are ready, click on Rec to start recording screen. A floating bar hidden by default shows a counter and the storage used. You can click on Screenshot to capture the screen instantly, or go to Auto Stop to stop the recording automatically after a specific duration. With Annotate you can add shapes, lines, arrows, brush and text. Click on Whiteboard to add whiteboard, and you can annotate your recording on new white screen. You can add numbering. You can erase anything that you have done. Once you have done recording, press F10 or click on red button to stop recording. Built-in media player opens, and you get a complete video preview with playback controls. Next to the player you get several tools to edit your recorded files. For instance, you can trim the file to select the desired portion of your recording. With this AI Assistant button, you can convert your speech into text without watching a video. You can compress your video by using this compress button. If you do normal compression, it will reduce your video file size by 30%. If you use advanced option, file size will be reduced by 60%, and in ultimate, file size will be reduced by 80%, without quality loss. With this convert to constant frame rate button, you can change FPS of your video according to your desire. By clicking here, you can even extract audio from the recording. You can also add titles and subtitles as intro and outro. The screenshot button is easy to capture a screenshot from the video. You can adjust playback speed of your video from here. On your left side you can see your recorded videos, and you can rename or delete these files from here. Finally, I will tell you that by clicking the Record Game button you can record your gameplay. There is no need to worry about the lag issue because it works well even on low-end PCs. I would like to conclude by telling you that EaseUS RecExpert is one of the best recording software that you should try once. In the description below, I am giving you a link to their website where you can go and get more information. Finally, there is a surprise for my viewers, as you may have seen in the thumbnail that I wrote giveaway. The license code that is running on your screen will give the first 100 users a lifetime pro version for free. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video to support my work.